seen Ashley before. I don't come home. This is when I do not come home.
Can you all stop it? You're upsetting the dog. Where's her purse? Give it.
Get out of here!
Give her.
You, buddy. He's about to
Give
get
me
it.
her purse.
You about to get it, boy.
Watch you a new one.
Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Oh! I knew you were gonna do that, dude. Christine!
Well, this is nice.
Jared, give her purse so she can get going.
Oh my God, it's in my truck.
She was looking for her keys. That's what she was looking for.
I'm gonna go to a nice apartment. I know I tell you every time.
Oh, hell!
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Come here, vanilla.
Weave. Well, if you see right there.
Oh my God.
Oh, hell no. Yes, that. Oh, Mommy, he got it in my hair!
You better kick his ass, Chris. Yo, Eric.
Shane! Get your little lily ass back here!
Stay in the stove. Come on, doll.
Oh, dude, this is funny.
Get out.
Where's my stuff at?
In my hand. I don't know where the white cover
Mommy's
will go, but-
dripping.
Ah.
Dripping. Dad? He's free.
Yeah, I got the light on now.
Right in my ear. Right in my freaking ear. What happened?
Bring the truck up here so we can put air in it.
Hey, they kicked me in my thighs.
Alright, I did your trick.